Hey friends, let's solve question number 9 from workbook. In this question, two bulbs are given and their power rating also given. So let's name the bulb as this is first and this is second bulb. Okay, so the power rating for bulb 1 is P1, okay, and power rating for bulb 2 is P2. And supplied voltage is mains voltage. Okay, here we supply by mains voltage V. Okay, but in this question voltage rating is not given. To solve this question we have to consider that both bulb have same voltage rating, same as supplied voltage. So this also has voltage rating V and this is also V. Okay, and there is one more thing we have to consider, that since power dissipates across resistors only. Okay, so bulb 1 has resistance R1 and bulb 2 has resistance R2. So power will dissipate across R1. Okay, so let's write power formula, that is total power supplied by supply voltage upon total resistance. Okay, that is RT. Okay, now total resistance is addition of R1 and R2, so we will rewrite as R1 plus R2. Okay, now we have to replace R1 and R2 in terms of P1 and P2. Okay, so as we know that power of P1 is equals to V square upon R1. Okay, so we will, if rearrange it, then we will get R1 equals to V square upon P1. Okay, first let's name it equation A and this is equation 1. Okay, now let's write for R2. So P2 equals to V square upon R2 equals to, so we will rearrange it to get R2. So R2 equals to V square upon P2, that is equation 2. Now we will put value of R1 and R2 in equation A in place of R1 and R2. Okay, so total power equals to V square upon P1. This is the value of R1. So now we will write R2 value, that is V square upon P2. Okay, V square upon P2. Now we will simplify it and take V2 common, V square common, so we get P1 1 upon P2. Okay, now V square and V square will get cancelled. Okay, now total power supplied equals to 1 upon P1 plus 1 upon P2. Okay, let's simplify it and we will get by cross multiplication it, so we will get P1 plus P2 upon P1 into P2. We will take reciprocal of it and then we will get power supplied equals to P1 into P2 upon P1 plus P2. Okay, so this is our required answer. This much power will be supplied by source. Okay, so the correct answer is option A. Thank you friends.